Hi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know, it's been a minute. I know. Welcome to 2021, I guess. Even though it's like almost February, but you know, whatever. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video on my new ring light. Let me go get her real quick. It is kind of heavy. Okay. Here she is. Girl, you can't even see her. Yep, this thing. Okay, this is gonna be tough. The reason why I'm getting a new ring light is because my old ring light is very much busted. And the reason why I say busted is because like I can't even like adjust it anymore. It's like stuck to like this one length, and it's like it's hard to like, you know, film and take pictures on it and stuff. So I was like, you know what? I need to get a new one. And yeah, so that's basically the reason why I'm getting a new ring light. And same with like the light part. It is very, very loose, and it's just, babe, it's a little ghetto. So yeah, we're just gonna be getting a new ring light today, loves. And also I'm filming on it, so if my phone just falls randomly throughout the video, just bear with me, love. If not, cool. So let's get started. Okay, I don't know how we're supposed to even like open this. Oh, whoops. Okay, she's coming out. Whew. I was about to throw you away, but there's more stuff in here. Great. Oh.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
It's out. So when I unboxed it, these are the two things that come out: the light stand and Neewer. Okay, so we're gonna start with the black bag for. Ooh, did you? Alrighty, so we're gonna open her up. And oh, great, another box, y'all. And oh, what is? Oh my gosh! Why is this thing so big? Okay, y'all, compared to my other ring light, this thing is huge, but I ain't complaining because I already know this thing about to give me some bomb light. So let's finish building her. Okay, let's start with the directions. All right, so let's just start with page number 1. Okay. Alrighty. So yeah, we got all of our accessories here. That's what it says. Get all your accessories. Cool accessories. Okay. Safety notes. Yeah. Installation guide. Okay. Installation of light stand. Folding light stand. Okay. Alrighty, first we gotta open up this little doohickey. And spread. Okay. Wow. Alrighty, so now that we have spreaded the little leg things or whatever, it says to like stretch it out until it's like reversed to ground level, if that made any sense. So basically like this. I think I have it. Yeah, like this. Okay, so next we're going to be loosening up the adjuster, and I'm going to twist these counterclockwise so I can loosen them up. And then after these things are loosened, you basically just stretch. Woo! Alrighty, I'll show you how tall and how far it goes. Okay, so I am 5'3", and this is how tall this thingy goes. So you can do the math. This is about like 70.5 inches. So yeah, pretty tall. Okay, so now I'm going to adjust my little stand to the desired height that I want it at. Perfecto. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to this thing. Okay, so it says to attach the color filter, which is this thing. And we're going to be putting this on top of the ring light. So tell me why my old ring light is just gonna shut off on me in the middle of filming and it's not turning back on, because this thing is supposed to light up and it's plugged up and everything and it's just not turning on at all and it's making me angry. So I'm going to try to, you know, turn my LEDs on white and see if that can make it look a little better. If not, I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, so I just come to the conclusion that I'm going to be finishing up this video tomorrow because the lighting is just so bad and it's just not working out. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Mwah. Hi, it's the next day and we're going to continue from where we left off. Okay, so this is where I remember leaving off. As I was preparing the other stuff, I noticed that they also came with the white ones. So I don't know if there's like a huge difference, but I'll show y'all what they look like. If it looks absolutely the same, then yeah. Next, it says to mount the ring light head onto tripod and then set up complete. Alrighty. And to mount the ring light head, you need to unscrew this bottom part right here so that it can fit. Now once you have it on top, then you just twist it back in place so that it can lock. Make sure it's straight. Alrighty, now once your ring light is secure, it says to put on like the little phone thingy that'll go like right here, which I need to find. So give me 1 second. Okay, so this is what the phone thingy looks like. And you will simply just slide in this thing right here and then twist it down so that it can fit. Not this thing, get out of my way. This thing. So yeah, just simply leave this top part alone and then just try to twist this bottom part in place so that it can just stay stuck. Excuse my ashy hands, that is so embarrassing. Okay, next you put on the foam mold. It also stretches. You're just going to twist this little guy into place. Ooh, it's there. Okay, so next we're going to simply connect everything and plug it up. Okay, so once you're done with that, it comes with this cute little Bluetooth remote, and basically you have to download an app called Camera 360 Lite and like pair your phone up with it so that you can activate and use this remote for like whenever you want to take pictures and you don't have anybody to take your pictures for you. So yeah, you can just press the simple button and then just you're done. To turn it on, there is this little switch right here that you have to just simply just move and it's on. Alrighty, let's turn this thing on. This is what we all been waiting for. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's low-key kind of bright. You want to turn this thing up? Oh my gosh, that is bright. That's really bright. That is really bright. That's really bright, Sela. Wow, bright. Okay, so now you know what it looks like with the orange color filter. So now I'm going to be putting on these white color filters to see how it looks.
You stupid.
That was really dumb. Oh. Okay, so now that the white one is on, let's give her a go. Ooh, very bright. Oh, wow, that is so bright. Goodness, I'm low-key proud. Okay, ring light. Y'all, look at my old ring light compared to my new one. This is what I mean by this ring light is huge. Like, look at this. But oh my goodness. Don't need you anymore. Oops, that was a bad decision. Now I'm going to film on the new ring light. So transition. Alrighty. We are back in action. Oh my gosh, this is like so weird for me because it's so freaking huge. I'm used to staring at a little tiny ring light, but now, whoo, child. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. The most important thing. And make sure you follow me on all my social medias, like always. And thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all next time. Bye.